friends, I'm Kanchan from Akulmek Technologies and you are welcome to Top Brass. Today we have Sitesh Srivastava from Johannesburg, South Africa. And as you know, he has a deep interest in corporate coaching and he has been teaching IT professionals and marketing professionals. So welcome to the show, Sitesh. How are you doing today?
Thank you, Kanchan. I am well, and it is the most chilliest weekend in South Africa this winter. So, yeah, just in my cocoon.
Okay. So, but then again, I would like to advise that you should take care because this pandemic era and you have to take care of yourself well. So, no, we are discussing about change management and we also come across very beautiful points by you, which you mentioned in last shows about creative thinking. Now, creative thinking needs a lot of courage, I guess, isn't it?
Yes, creativity needs courage, but this skill can be acquired and it needs to be fostered by the people who have seen the world a little bit more than the youngsters. And this cannot be a tasteless thing. It can be made curious and interesting for the youngsters to take it up.
Okay, so there's a saying that when we talk about creativity, it is saying that the only thing which I know is that I don't know anything. When we come across about youngster and the college going students, so how this creative thinking will help them to become a productive professional in future?
So Kanchan, creative thinking is a 21st century skill. It is a mandatory skill, though it is generally not written in any of the college prospectus or the admission forms. But if you see, ultimately the people who succeed, who make their names, who make their marks, who make a significant difference to themselves as well as their societies are the people who were creative thinkers in the same college, in the same institution. So creative problem solving is something we as educators need to promote. Creative problem solving challenges. Something like, I always remember this thing while I was in a hotel in UK, and it was a freezing cold day, and I had no place to go for eating. The only three things: a frozen sandwich, a cold room, and no microwave, and no kitchen in the hotel.
Oh.
So those kind of challenges suddenly make you creative. But many times we do these things without knowing it, but it is important for someone to actually inculcate it in a very structured and a designed way. And I think some of the colleges are doing it. You know, the other challenge with the creative thinking is it is not limited to artistic expression. We think it is about artistic expression most of the time, but it could be in any subject and any field. Imagination, communication skills, problem solving, mathematics, scientific thinking, and interpreting the information. So it is creative thinking has to, and also it cannot always lie on the shoulders of the college. It has to be in our surroundings, our parents, our elders, our youngsters. And sometimes we have to listen to our youngsters. They are probably some more creative in today's era than ourselves.
Yes, sometimes, yes.
So and two examples that I can give you from South Africa. One is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the founder of Tesla electric vehicle company, and the SpaceX, the aerospace company, which has just made the history by making it the first commercial flight to the International Space Station. And Tesla, we all know, has revolutionized the electric vehicle space.
Yes.
Elon Musk, a South African boy, if he would not have been that creative, he would not have created this kind of two iconic companies And somewhere I read, Kanchan, that 3,000 years down the line, when people will remember some old earth people in the olden earth, 3,000 years later, people will remember Elon Musk because his things in the space will remain.
Right. True.
The second person that is even bigger person I feel in a modern world is Nelson Mandela. He was a lawyer, and he did his normal studies into the college level, but it was his creative thinking plus his empathy plus the support of his community that he brought that kind of a global change. What he could do in the modern history, no one else could have done it. And it was all because of the creative thinking.
Yes.
And he also started it at the college level.
Okay, very true.
So that's my point.
Yes. So, so we will be discussing more about this creative thinking and how to inculcate this and how to take up into this curriculum into the colleges and our next show. And today it was, as usual, very nice talking to you. So, till we meet tomorrow, bye-bye. Take care.
Thank you. Have a great day.